You all are most welcome to my another new video. I hope all of you guys well, and I hope you are practicing your spoken English each and every single day. So today we are going to Kailasahar with my uncle and with my sister, and this road is very nice road. This side you can go to the Kailasahar and this side you can go to the Kumarghat. First of all, I would like to say you I am making this video only for my practicing purpose. So I would like to share one thing. Once upon a time when I was beginner, that time I used to create the pressure to my brain to say right words. But nowadays my brain captures automatically and I don't need to say to my brain, please say right words, please say right vocabularies. He is my uncle and he is observing me and he always encourages me. So this area is very nice. How do I practice? Practically, I'll show you everything. And she is my sister. She is feeling shy. She is feeling shy. She doesn't want to come on camera. But I say always, you should practice practically. And how do you practice? This side you can see there is a river. There is a Mono river. It flows south to north, and it has gone to Bangladesh, we know that. But this area is amazing, an amazing area, amazing place. It's a viewpoint also, so I am showing you. Wait, so whatever I mentioned, once upon a time I used to pressure create to my brain to say something, but right now my brain captures automatically and says, my brain says automatically. I don't need to create any pressure. So that is the main point, guys. You can see the condition of the road condition is too good. So I say always, practice makes a man better. Practice, and you have to leave your shyness. You have to train your mouth, and then your mouth can say everything, anything. And I say always one thing, if you don't know English, I always say one thing, if you are gonna say a sentence, if you don't know all words, you can mix Bangla. So next video I will be sharing you, and I would share you 5 YouTube channels name, how can you learn English and how can you practice. That will be shared on this video. Next video I have written some YouTube channels name and I will be sharing that, and I would share you this thing, and I would share this thing. So whatever I do, I always practice English, and I always speak more and more. I always think in English, and you have to do also same things whatever I do in my life. So there is a road, another road, as you can see, and this view is very amazing. As you can see, my sister is here. She is feeling shy. She doesn't want to come on camera, but I hope one day she will be able to speak in English and she will get a better job. She will make the career better career. So I hope that. So I practice every day, everywhere, wherever I go, I practice English. I think in English. I think in English. I say with myself. I speak with myself. I ask the question to myself and I answer the question to myself. So that is how you can improve yourself. Everyone wants to speak in English, but we get stuck when we go to speak. That is the main point. That is the main weak zone of us. So how can we overcome? We have to practice. We have to learn something. We have to learn some basic grammar, and then we can be a fluent English speaker. That is the main thing. So people are watching me and they are going and they are watching me, but I don't feel shy. I am building my confidence, and I am building my confidence, and I am trying to make you confident. So see you next video. I wouldn't like to make it more longer. Thank you for watching.